check out the limit. So we want to know what's happening to y as x approaches -2. We'll say positive or negative infinity if we have to. We see that we've got a fraction. Let's try to simplify that. We could factor the top and the bottom. Notice that we're looking for different signs and that the big one will be negative. There are numbers that multiply to make 30 and add to make 13. That's not what we want. We're looking for numbers that multiply to make 30 and subtract to give you 13. That would be a -15 and a +2. You can factor the bottom since you have a square, take away a square into a sum and a difference. Okay, so we are able to factor the top and the bottom. We can see that there is a common factor. Let's go ahead and cross it off. We're not talking about continuity, but if we were, there would be a whole at -2. What we're looking for here is what will be the value of y when x is -2. Okay, so the x plus 2's are gone. Now that we've simplified, we've got the limit as x approaches -2. X take away 15 over x take away 2. I'm ready to make that substitution. That's -2 take away 15 over -2 minus 2, which gives me -17 divided by -4. The answer is 17 quarters, and we're done.